Hello everyone, welcome back to our Thirsty Thursday segment. Today I have Ginny here with us. Tell me, how do you like your drink?
It's really good. It has pumpkin in it, so I can never go wrong with pumpkin. It's one of my favorite forms of drinks.
Me too. This is our Pumpkin Spiced Latte. It's perfect for the fall, nice and warm and cozy. I was going to ask if you have any family traditions that you guys do during the holidays, any foods or drinks that you guys make.
So usually I actually spend the holidays with friends,
Mm-hmm.
but from what I remember as a child, normally during, I think I would say Thanksgiving, it would have to be tamales, always, and then around Christmas time, usually someone would make pozole.
Ooh, that sounds so good. I was also going to ask a follow-up question. How often do your holidays involve drinking?
Honestly, from what I remember, like celebrated with my family at least, there is always alcohol. Like no matter what, there was even a drink that was like coffee based, I believe, but it still was alcohol.
Mhm.
I don't know how to describe it, but from what I remember, I did see it a lot. And then when my friends, once we all turned 21, obviously, there was drinking involved as well as kind of like a way to have fun, if you can say.
Right. I have a similar experience, and I feel like a lot of our viewers have similar experiences as well when it comes to the holidays and drinking. Okay. I wanted to bring a little more awareness to how much drinking increases during the holidays, the dangers of drinking, and how we can all stay safe during this holiday season.
You're right. Now that you bring up drinking, I'm starting to notice that there's a lot more DUI checkpoints during the holidays.
Exactly. There's a lot more drinking and driving happening during the holiday season just because everybody's out celebrating and things like that. And it's really important for all of us to drink responsibly and to not get behind the wheel if we are deciding to drink.
Right. What do you think are some ideas that, myself and the viewers can do to like not drink? Like what are some other, activities we can do?
There's so many other ways we can celebrate without drinking. There's giving gifts, sharing a meal together, decorating like the tree, the house, things like that.
Or trying out these mocktails, or following us on social media and watching our videos.
Exactly. We also have a video coming up next week that goes more into detail about the alternatives to drinking during the holidays. I hope you guys tune in and watch that as well. And also follow us, like Jenny mentioned, we will be giving out more tips this holiday season. And yeah, thank you guys for joining us. Thank you for joining me, Ginny. This was so much fun. I hope you guys liked our drinks and you try them at home for the holidays. Let us know what you guys think.
Thank
Anyway,
you.
bye.